It is beautiful. People were saying that they struggle tiling around tray. If you struggle about tiling around tray, you tilers, just give it up. Do you know what I mean? Just give it up, lads. Give it up. Definitely different than tiles, isn't it? See what I mean about the back panel? Just underneath the lip. Water can come off straight down instead of going in. It is beautiful. Rad there, sink there, toilet there, shower there, bish bash bosh, job done. I like it a lot. Let's put some light on. Nice. They're different. Look at that green ground, green silicone. Beautiful. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Let's crack on and get stuff in. Ricky's are just on about that without them, nothing would be done. Have you heard them chirping now? But what you gotta think, lads, without a plumber you'd all be dead. Remember that. Clean water, toilets, sanitary ware. We didn't need no bricks back in day, did we? We lived in grass huts. Hey, what you got to say about that one? Huh? We lived in grass huts, not concrete build. Didn't we? Huh?
Does that jelly make when you're talking?
Yeah, man. It's not very nice, is it? But it's alright. So these, I like these because these have actually got a little isolator on it there. I like them a lot. Don't go in very much. The olives to there. So what you're better off doing is put it on, mark it, measure that, and then we go. I was just making sure that went flat back. And I like it a lot, that. I like it a lot. It's beautiful. So I mean, bish bash bosh. Take it off, measure it, cut it, PTFE. So in a bathroom, this is the main cause of damage and leaks. The shower and where the shower goes on. So we've got two good fixings into the wood there, which is solid. That'll hold the shower on perfectly. As you can see, my silicone is squashed out, yeah. Then I've wrapped PTFE tape around the olive before I put the end bit on. Reason why I do that is because these showers, olives, they're not supposed to leak, but they do leak. So the one way to bulletproof it is wrap PTFE tape around it. It's very simple. I like to use PTFE tape instead of paste because paste could get into the pipe and then from the pipe it could get into the cartridge. If it gets into the cartridge, the shower is knackered. So PTFE tape, boom, straight on like that. And if your first fix is bang on, your second fix is going to be bang on. And that is why you do everything bang on. Do you know what I mean? That's bang on. Yeah. Bang on, tighten out. Little isolating valves, we won't touch them because I don't want them to leak. I'm not saying they're going to leak, but I just don't trust anything with an isolator on. Okay, bish bash bosh. And then there's always one thing that is vital. Always run your shower through. Turn that off. Always clean your shower. Don't forget the on. Don't want to get wet. Hot water. Beautiful. Always run your shower through, make sure your pipes are clean before your shower goes on. Otherwise, all it takes is a bit of crap to get into this cartridge and then it's a nightmare, you know what I mean? Sometimes they do need changing, but sometimes they don't need changing. Beautiful. Just dry that off. Beautiful. Then we crack on. Then for this, what I do is I do the bracket hand tight, yeah, and then just put some tape around it, yeah, hand tight, and then put some tape around it. You know what I mean, Chet? And then because this stuff here, with it being black, can mark so easy. Then you get your movers on it, yeah. Tighten it up, bish bash bosh, job done. That way you never get that silver shine on the black. Because with the black stuff, you get like when you put your movers on them and you tighten them up, you get like a glaze on it. Yeah, well, you don't get no glaze on it now. So you just take your tape off. Like so. And it's beautiful. It's like a job in town. You know what I mean? Don't forget like, share and follow. See? Beautiful. It's beautiful. Do you know what I mean? Don't forget like, share and follow. And these are the best tile bits on the planet of the earth, and you buy them off me, £15 into my PayPal, and I will post them out. This porcelain tile, yeah? I've already done it all. Let's get this all. Boom! As easy as that. Best bits on the market. You get around about 4 holes drive drilling in porcelain tiles. Pack of 10 for 15 quid, what do you want? Do you know what I mean? Bish bash bosh. Into my PayPal. Now these are very simple, but maybe very effective, you know what I mean? So we've got the clicks in there, which I like, and then we just got one screw to screw in. Let's see what it's like. My mate says, how do we know which is top and bottom? On the curve there, shower, you just put your screen in like that, and then we know which is the top and which is the bottom. Oh yeah, yeah. Which is the top and which is the bottom. You're looking at my mum. Do you know what I mean? How you play that? So let's see if this clicks in like it should click in. Right, give me a big length, please. Big length. What am I going to do with that? I asked for the big length and he's giving me this. What am I going to do with that? It's like teaching a newborn every day. I want the glass. To put the glass in. See what I have to put with it?
You said glass, but not fucking glass. You said big length. That's a fucking
big length. I've got this on the floor and I've got the big length in front of me. So what do I want to put in it? You calm yourself down. Never ever tilt a glass forward like that. Always tilt it backwards. You watch that noise, because I feel traumatized. When you're working in confined spaces, you have to be confident and be good for your work. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it clicks. The electrician just suddenly just put his light in front of us. So, right, that tells you it's not as easy as I thought this. You know what I mean? I'm going to have to get on my knees. Don't get carried away, lads. It's not that way to climb. Right, that's done. Oh, I like it. I like it. That's done. Now the next thing. It's not as bad as I thought, is it? Do you know what I mean? 3 minutes. Screen done.